One of the great things about Go High Level is they are constantly improving and adding really great new features. But how do you keep track of it all? Well, there's an easy way to find out. In your account, if you go over here to the top right and you click on this icon here, the second from the right, it gives you all the latest new fixes and added features right at your fingertips. In fact, if you click here where it says See All Changes, it'll take you to their change logs and you can easily see what's new and what can you incorporate right away. It gives you the how-to, it gives you video, it gives you images. Just simply by scrolling down, you can easily see what are the new changes and is there something that will help me improve my marketing even better than before. I hope you've enjoyed this Go High Level quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.